Hello everyone! So today we're going to do a quite important thing when making keyboards, while building them, is lubing the stabilizers. Why I'm doing it today? Firstly, to just make my keyboard a little bit better, because now I lube the stabs, but I think there was not enough lube, so I'm going to relube it. You can listen why I say it like that. You hear? It's quite, not rattly, but quite, like has a lot of plastic sound and a bit of metal sound. That's because I think there's not enough lube. Also, compare. A bit less, a bit more. This one is a bit even rattly. And spacebar is very nice. So probably spacebar we will leave it like it is. But we will loop these two at least, because they are a bit rattly, as you see. So yes, that's the first thing why I'm doing this. Second thing is that just to show you how to lube your stabs. So without further ado, let's start. So we start the relubing from disconnecting the keyboard. Of course, that's a better thing to do. Then what we do is we remove the keycaps. So just take your switch puller and remove the keycaps. Because switches are lubed, they are quite easily taken off. Okay. The best thing to do when taking off your switches is just to have it like they should be. So it would be much easier to put everything together after fixing the stabilizers. So now we're just removing the screws to get into the keyboard. You can open it like on these sides. It's a bit safer like this. So here's the foam, here's the PCB. So yeah, here's the foam. I think we need another one of these up here, because the sound is not like super isolated. Okay, so we reached this moment, the PCB. Now we need to change the stabs. So yeah, first we have to have the PCB more near us. So we have to unscrew these to reach the stabilizers. Okay, so here's the plate. So yes, So we reached the plate. So now we need to remove the switches. Then we will be able easily to reach the stabilizers, I think. Okay. I'm destroying my table. After removing the switches, I remove all the dust that are on this plate. This kind of rebuilding can also be like a cleaning process. And now the most important part is to use simple Phillips head screwdrivers to remove the screws. You can listen to the sound, how it's not good. It's rattly. Everything's rattly here. I need really to fix this. So we're trying to open these. And we got the plate up. So yeah. So what now? Now we can finally re-lube the stabilizers. This paper looks okay, but you know. We'll re-lube everything. Okay, just open this side. Some more hex screws. So we can remove those. Okay, we'll start from the most annoying stabilizer, this one. I probably won't use washers here because I don't like to use washers when the screws are on side. Because it's a plastic washers, they have bigger tolerances. And they're having bigger tolerances, they tend to rattle a bit. I don't like that. Make this board very nice. Okay, so like this, and like this. Okay, so now the PCB is like this with no stabilizers. Yeah, so it's very good. Okay, so now the makeover starts. Okay, so we're going now to re-lube the stabilizers. I will probably bring a cloth or something. Just some WC toilet. Okay. Paper. Okay, so we can start from the stabilizer because this one was the worst one. Okay, so we open it one side and the other side and remove the old lube. Just remove it. Remove it, make it without any lube. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, this one is great. Now these. How are these? We can also remove these. Any excess lube. So we just make it like this, make it like this, yeah. Yeah, like this. One is nice. Now these. in these. Make it very clean, nice, and so on. Make it very clean, nice, and so on. Wash. Okay, this one's nice too, and now this one. So very nice. So one of these are ready. The wire is also ready, so we can start the lubing. So we just take the Krytox 205G0 lube, and what we will do, we'll do a simple thing. Just open it like this. We just open it like this, and we need to lube these, the housing. So to lube the houses, we need a brush, and we just lube it. Take some Krytox 205G0. We don't need a lot of it, but a bit more. Down switches, and we just lube the sides. So to have nice coating. Generously lube the sides. Okay, one of these are lubed. Now the second one, this one. Also generously lube the sides, so the plastic won't like move around. It'll be very stable. When lubing stands, you can be more like over lubing it. It's hard to over lube stabs. Much easier to over the switches. So yes, we can check. Could be more here. Okay. Okay. Now the wire. So firstly, before inserting the wire, we add these. We just watched. Just check the sides. Okay. I think we should install it like this. I hope. Check if there is no dust or something, because I see some dust and some hairs and so on. Try to remove those for the best stabilizer experience. And yes. Yeah, see? Yeah, so this one is lubed. We'll probably check it after lubing. Now the second one. Yeah, this one. Also, when you're installing these, check, align these two and install it like this. Yeah. Okay, looks good. So now the wire. so we need to have it very generously lubed. Yeah, maybe a bit too much generous. Not that much generous, but you know, like quite generously lubed. Okay, need to remove the excess. How to do it? I think it will be good. I hope it won't be over lubed or something. Yeah, like this. And we just now install it. And we will check if the stabilizers are okay. The operation is quite silent. Now the other side, same thing, a lot of lube. The best thing to do is to take some kind of like thing like this. Oh, some kind of like thing like this, and just make it like that. Yeah, okay. See, a lot of lube. Now we just install this here. I think it's a bit too much. Yeah, that's more than enough. Now just install it here. You can, okay, you can now use the like this. Yeah, so now there's a lot of Krydox on this thing. It should be more than fine. Okay, so after doing these things, you can install the stabilizer. Okay, I need to wash my hands a bit because it's very, very Krydoxy. It has a lot of Krydox on my hands. So, okay. So we just take these and install like this. Just add these prongs here and just do like this. Yeah, like this. Very nice. Also, we check if everything is fine and install the screws. Okay. Okay, we can check with the switch. So now I will show you how to test. So you take a switch like this, you install it, like this, and just install the keycap. Check if it is fine. So the sound is good. It means we succeeded. Okay, so now some more stabilizers to go. Okay, now we can try this one. I'll be a bit faster this time. Okay, I think it's quite enough. Lube for the stabilizer. Now the wire. Oh, we need to put these. And now this. So one side, dip. It's not enough. That's far from enough. It's a bit to do with this thing. Just take it. Yeah, this one is dipped. Okay, this one is Lube 2. Again, we need to wash our hands a bit. And we are going to install this again. This one will be with washers. Let this one here. Okay. It seems stocky. That's good sign. Now we can check with the switch. Okay. Not sure what's the problem. It doesn't sound super good. Okay. We'll try without the washers. Maybe washers are the problem. Sounds very reverby with the washers. Did not taking washers change the sound signature? Okay. It doesn't change the sound. It just sounds rattly. Just very rattly. Just very rattly. Okay, so this wasn't the fault of the washers, just rattling. Oh man, it's so hard. how it's now. Maybe better? You can check. Okay, this one's clicky. Very nice. This one sounds super nice. I installed it. Now again. Sounds better. That's more of a switch thing, and okay, I want to try it with different switch. I think it's good. Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. So now we need to install the big key, big stabilizer and the enter stabilizer. Okay. Oh boy. Now this one. How will it, okay, we'll set it like this. Like this. Okay. Okay, this one's nice. Okay, so now again some lubing. A lot of lube, my friends. A lot of lube. A lot of lube. A lot of lube for the main stabilizer. You need to install these things firstly before doing anything else. And this one. Very nice. Okay, now the wire. You see how much I take? This. How much I add? There must be a lot of loops. Okay, so we need to be careful and very precise. Oh man, there's some kind of thing here. Oh man, I think it's a brush. Yes, so okay, and now the other side. Now okay, generous amount of lube, like some people would say. Oh yes, baby. And who's okay? Again. And now we just need to make it very nice. Very nicely lubed. Okay, and one more. This one. So now we are dipping it. Where is the nice thing? Here's the nice thing. Okay, we dip it nice, very nice. Any excess goes right like that. Okay, you see again, a very nice loop. Quite a lot of loop on it. Oh man, I made the same thing. I lube before lubing this. Okay, so first we need to lube the inside of it. So just take the excess lube and we lube it. This one is installed very nicely. Now this one also very nicely. Now this thing. You have to be very precise. Start correctly. Okay, this one's good. Now the other side of it. Now this side. Man. Now we can try to install these on the PCB. So this will be enter key. You use this with washers. Okay, we can now try with a switch. Now the enter key. Very nice. That was very, very nice. So all the C-blades are very nice.